I am Devesh Mathur, and let me talk a little bit about how we approach partnerships within DaveAI. So we have been interacting with a lot of customers and trying to understand what their pain points are and how we can add value to our customers' businesses, right? And what we've realized is that it's a partner play. Not one organization alone can sort of add a lot of value for our customers. So what we have done is we have tied up with a lot of partners, both from a go-to-market, pure play go-to-market perspective, but more importantly, we have tied up with partners who have complementary capabilities, right? So we have tied up with various organizations in the hardware space from large global partners, and we have jointly co-created solutions which will add value to the customers, right? That is one aspect. Second aspect is the reach, right? So we have tied up with a lot of partners globally in, for example, in Middle East and in Western countries, where we have tied up with partners who have deep relationship with the customers there, and we are trying to add on the solutions that we have built, and those solutions we are offering jointly with our partners for the customers, right? So the positive aspect is the trust that is already built with the partners that we are trying to leverage, number one. And number two, the understanding of the business, right? Understanding of the customer's business is much better with the partners. So we are trying to integrate that within the solutions, right? And trying to co-create the solutions for specific partners in specific regions, right? So partners who are so the customers who are in Middle East, they're at a certain level of maturity as compared to customers who are based in say in the Western countries, right? So we are trying to co-create value for the customers and deploying those solutions for the customers for mutual benefits. So what I talked about was on an overall basis how we are sort of leveraging the partner ecosystem to provide value to customers. Now, if we look at one specific vertical, which is the automotive vertical, which is our niche and a focus vertical for us, and where we have done a lot of work across various automotive companies globally. So what we have realized is, if we look at from a future perspective, what's the future of AI in automotive sector? It is basically a play between three parties, right? So one is the technology providers like us. Second is the OEMs, right, who are designing and manufacturing vehicles. And third is the distribution aspect, right, where the majority of the distribution is done by the dealers, right? So it's an interplay between these three major players, and that is what will provide the maximum value to customers from AI in the automotive sector. And that is what we are trying to, and that is a partnership that we are trying to forage between these three verticals, which is technology partners, OEMs, and dealers, right? And a combination of these three can provide a very strong value around AI to end customers.